that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Did you catch it on GoPro or no?
Might have. I think I did. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to look at the crash in full, what led up to the crash, what happened during the crash, and then what happened after the crash from my car's perspective and from my brother's car who was actually following me and caught the incident. Then we're going to go into the rebuild process. So there's a few photos from the panel shop, there's a few photos when I got it home, and then there's a few photos from when Rexxem was born with all the new panels on it, the new number plates, the new wheel setup and suspension setup, and how it was transformed from before the accident to after the accident. So I hope you all enjoy, and let's get into it.
Fuck! Can't get it out. Push it. Have you got a rope? Yeah, it's on the front. Push on the front. On the way, front. Yeah. Watch out, there's a car coming. You right? Yeah. You right here, Nick? That's alright, man. Thank you, man. I saw it go. Is that going to go back on, or you just want to fucking... Yeah. Already fucking put our plans in.
Catch it on GoPro or no?
Might have. I think I did.
Fuck! Nick! See if we can get it out.
So the car was at the panel shop for about 6 months. Basically, I got paid out by insurance and then paid the panel shop cash. They fixed the car. It had a new radiator support. It had new front end rocker panels. They put it on a jig to straighten the front chassis rails, which were slightly bent. It had new quad panels put on, had a new bonnet put on, had a new bumper bar rear support put on, which didn't last long because I had to remove it to fit the front mount intercooler. And basically the whole front end was resprayed. We put a new rear bumper bar on it, we put a new boot on it. They were also resprayed to the factory Aspen White. I got the car back in about September 2016 and then slowly pieced it together, put everything on, put the new body kit, the new wheels and the new suspension, and then it was back on the road pretty much by October. She's alive. Once the car was back together, we got it to a few car shows. First one was the Melbourne Car Meets Invitational in Thornbury. So that was a good event. We got some really good photos there. Used were work XD9s, 18 by 10 plus 38s. I had to use spacers to clear the front struts and the rear struts. So we added a little bit of camber and it gave it that aggressive fitment. The car actually looked pretty good. I ran this setup for a while actually, pretty much right up until where I swapped it out for the T37s and the race CRs. I still do have the work XD9s. I don't know if they'll make an appearance. A bit of work to make them fit, but we'll see. Well, I hope you enjoyed Rexxem Origins Part 2 to give you an insight on how the car was damaged, how we fixed it, and then how we got it back on the road as Rexxem. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Keep an eye out for Rexxem Origins Part 3, which will go through the next phase, which is the engine rebuilds that I've had on this car to get where it is today. So until then, keep an eye out. Peace.